नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। प्रोग्राम नेम मास्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन। कोर्स नेम रिसर्च मैथोलॉजी। My session's name welcome to all. I am discussion about research in education. Meaning, what is the research? Research बार बार किसी चीज़ को खोजते हुए उसके एंड तक पहुंचना, उसके रिजल्ट तक पहुंचना, किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को लेकर के, वो हमारा रिसर्च कहलाता है। Educational research refer to the systematic collection and analysis of data related to the field of education. Research may involve a variety of methods and various aspects of education, including student learning, teaching method, teaching training, and classroom dynamics. Any one topic researcher choose and overall new finding search through educational research. Educational research meaning of educational research refers to systematic attempt to gain a better understanding of the educational process, generally with a view in improving its efficiency. It is an application of scientific method to the study of educational problems. What is educational research? What is education research? What going on education research? What are the main problems of education research? There is psychological problem, curriculum related problem, आपके ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट जो चाइल्डहुड से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, ओवरऑल प्रॉब्लम्स सॉर्ट आउट बाय रिसर्च. Education research is the scientific field of study that examines education and learning process and the human attributes, interactions, organizations, overall work, institutional organization, schools organizations, universities organizations are find out through scholar in educational research. Educational research is the answer to all of the above questions. Educational research uses the scientific method. Scientific method निश्चित क्रमबद्ध ज्ञान जिसके रिजल्ट्स 99% या 100% तक आते हों, पूरी श्योरिटी वाले हों, वो हमारे साइंटिफिक एक एक चीज़ को साइंटिफिक स्टेप से जस्टिफिकेशन करते हुए, एनालिसिस करते हुए, फाइंडिंग करते हुए, हाइपोथेसिस का जस्टिफिकेशन करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Scopes of educational research. Educational research help teachers to understand the child in classroom in order to improve teaching learning process. Many problems in classroom. Classroom is a miniature of society. Peer group problem, understanding problem, healthy learning problem, adjustment problems. Many problems are related to educational research and overall scope included the educational research. Educational research has a role of knowledge, values, beliefs, effects of changes in the dynamic structure of education. It helps to understand the problems of educational administration. We talk about two before. Educational problems are many: environmental problem, learners setting adjustment problem, socio-culture problem, racist problem, color and caste problems. Many problems such as include in educational research and scope of educational problems या educational research areas. It has an impact of economic progress on education. It helps to understand the role of family and neighborhood in making the children adjustment in society. There are many stages of learner. So, learner adjust in their pre-adolescence phase, post-adolescence phase, socio-culture, environment. Overall, scope are include in educational research, education related problems to develop the new strategy. How can a learner understand from better techniques? There are many strategies. Today's the project method are very important in learners. शुरू से लेकर के एंड तक या अपर क्लासेस तक प्रोजेक्ट मेथड बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हो रहा है. कोऑपरेटिव लर्निंग इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. फिश बाउल, आइस ब्रेकिंग, मैनी एक्टिविटीज़, मैनी स्ट्रेटजीज इंक्लूड इन देयर लेवल ऑफ क्लास एंड एग्जामिन या रिसर्च की लर्निंग आर फुलफिल या लर्नर सेटिस्फाइड थ्रू वेरियस educational strategy. Defining research is an art of investigation of new and innovative aspects of any branch of knowledge. Research है वो एक आर्ट है, कला है और एक साइंटिफिक विज्ञान भी है. This is not a cup of tea. This is very important for each person. Each scholar जो रिसर्च करना चाहता है, जो इंटरेस्ट रखता है, जो एक ऑनेस्टली प्रॉपरली स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाके और साइंटिफिक मेथड को यूज में लेते हुए अपना वर्क आगे करता है. सो रिसर्च इज एन आर्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. कैसे कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है, कौन से मेथड्स लेने हैं, कितना सैंपल लेना है, क्या फाइंडिंग्स आई है, कौन से ग्राफ्स, क्या ओवरऑल आर इन डिफाइन रिसर्च वर्क. Innovative aspects of any branch of knowledge. It comprises of defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses, suggest solutions or solution approaches, collecting and analyzing, driving, experimenting and evaluationally validating the hypothesis or dedicating new conclusions. Research is also defined as search for knowledge. Research is a very big task. रिसर्च जिस प्रॉब्लम पर किसी ने काम नहीं किया, उस प्रॉब्लम को लेते हुए शुरुआत में प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड लिटरेचर ओवरऑल स्टेप्स पास करते हुए जो वर्क किया जाता है, दैट आर रिसर्च वर्क, एंड मैनी स्कोप आर included in educational research work. Thank you.